Once upon a time, in a peaceful pond, lived a little yellow duck named Dudley. Dudley was known for his bright feathers and his cheerful quack. One sunny morning, Dudley noticed something strange. There was a leaf floating on the water, but it wasn't moving. Dudley thought, perhaps the leaf needs help. With a flap of his wings and a little splash, Dudley swam towards the leaf. He gently nudged it, but it didn't budge. Dudley tried harder, but the leaf was stuck. Feeling a little worried, Dudley decided to ask his friends for help. He called out to the frogs, "Hey friends, can you help me free this stuck leaf?" The frogs gathered around and tried to help, but they couldn't move the leaf either. They thought for a moment and then the wise old frog spoke, "Perhaps we need more strength." "Let's ask the rabbit," suggested a small frog. Dudley agreed and they all went to find the rabbit. "Rabbit, can you help us?" as they asked. The rabbit, who was known for his strong legs, agreed to help. With a mighty hop, he jumped into the pond and tried to push the leaf away. But it didn't move. Feeling a little disappointed, they all sat down on the bank of the pond to think. Dudley looked at the stuck leaf and then at his friends. "Maybe we don't need more strength," he said. "Maybe we just need to be patient." Dudley and his friends went back to their daily activities, but they didn't forget about the stuck leaf. Days turned into weeks, and one day, the wind blew strongly across the pond. The stuck leaf was finally free. Dudley and his friends cheered as the leaf floated away. They learned that sometimes, all we need is a little patience and things will work out in their own time. From that day on, Dudley became wiser and more patient. He remembered the stuck leaf whenever he faced a difficult challenge. And the pond, with its peaceful surroundings, was a reminder of the lessons they had learned. So, always remember, be patient, and let things happen in their own time. Good night, dear friends, and sweet dreams.